Today I'm reviewing the Tanzky men's leather belt. It's a black ratchet dress slide belt with automatic buckle. This is what it comes in, this beautiful presentation box, and you just pull the front there and there's this gorgeous belt. My husband's going to take it out. There's also the instruction leaflet there and a little screwdriver. He's going to unwrap the belt. And if he turns it over, you can actually see there is the ratchets. This fits any size and you can actually cut the belt. He's going to put it on. He's only a 36 waist, so most likely this is going to be a little bit big on him. But that's not a problem. We just want to demonstrate exactly how it works for you. And he's putting it in. And now sliding it through that really nice buckle, that beautiful black buckle. And there it goes, and you can hear the ratchet as it goes through, like so. And if you just want to turn around the lens so that, okay, they can see it. Perfect. And to release it, there's just a little thing on the top there, a little catch or a button, and he's going to press it and release it now. There we go. I think actually he had
a lot too long.
Yes, but the good thing is with your other ratchet belt, you actually cut it, and you can cut it. That's the inside of the belt. There we are. He's taken it out, so he can actually cut off 6 or 8 inches, whatever he needs, and insert it there. This is a beautiful dress belt, and it's made of really nice leather, and he's going to get an awful lot of wear in it on it. Very much like it, and we tend to go out dancing 3 times a week, and he does wear long trousers, and that will go with it. And I think you're going to be wearing it on Thursday next time we go out dancing. And he's just putting it back together again now. But this is a perfect gift for the gentleman in your life. As I say, beautiful presentation box and a lovely belt.